Good morning. It's chilly, but it's a good day in real estate still. And love it when our good friend, family, client, past client gets a house under contract in less than a week. Check it out. I want to share something with you real quick because back in 2020, you can see October 2020, my cousin and his wife bought this house, and with this house, they were able to start a family. Right, COVID days, 2020. There, signing the paperwork. Life is good. They just sold it, another happy customer. That was October 2020, and now he got an opportunity and he moved, and we went in there and put the new roof on and new paint and cleaned it up, and they've taken amazing care with it. Had 2 beautiful boys in the house, and now it's on for someone else's. Congratulations, another under contract for us. This weather is cold, the market is hot. Everyone take care. Bye-bye.